In the heart of nature's bounty, where sunshine kisses the earth and wildflowers dance in the breeze, a remarkable story unfolds. This is the story of honey, a golden elixir crafted by some of the most industrious creatures on our planet, the honeybee. Our journey begins here, in the heart of a working beehive. Today, we'll peek inside this bustling metropolis of tiny wings and incredible organization and follow the incredible process of how honey is made and harvested. A colony of honeybees is more than just a collection of insects. It's a highly sophisticated society, with each bee playing a crucial role. From the tireless workers collecting nectar and pollen, to the dedicated nurses tending to the young, and of course, the queen, the heart of it all. These frames of honeycomb are their canvas, their storehouse, and the foundation of their world. Sometimes in beekeeping, we need to introduce a new queen to a colony to revitalize its lineage, or to begin a brand new hive. Here, the beekeeper is gently placing a queen cage into a feeder section. This allows the worker bees to acclimate to the queen's pheromones before she is fully released. This step is crucial for acceptance, ensuring she will become a valued member of the colony. This queen, a vital component of a thriving colony, is safely contained within this protective cage. The bees you see here are curious about their new leader, checking her out and familiarizing themselves with her scent. It's fascinating to observe their careful inspection and gradual acceptance of their new queen. Here, in the interior of the hive, we witness the fruits of the bees' labor. Layers of honeycomb filled with both golden honey and brood cells, ready to hatch into a new generation of workers. Bees have an incredible sense of order, which is reflected in the meticulous design of each cell. The beekeeper, experienced in the nuances of this bee world, gently clears away the bees to give us a better view of the honey stores. It takes a delicate hand and an understanding of bee behavior to do this without causing disruption to the colony. After the inspection and introducing the queen, we must ensure the hive is prepared for the days ahead. Providing them with a feeder gives them supplemental nutrition to help the hive grow and develop even during times of poor nectar flow in the environment. This little act of support can greatly influence the colony's future. With the lid carefully placed, we seal the hive, giving our hard-working bees the safety and seclusion they need. We leave them with a sense of peace to continue their crucial activities, building, foraging, and producing the honey that we so cherish. Now, we move to another stage in the journey, the harvest. After the bees have diligently filled the honeycomb cells and capped them with a thin layer of wax, it signals the honey is ready. This is when the beekeeper will gently take some of the honey frames to harvest the liquid gold inside. With care and precision, the beekeeper uses a specialized knife to begin extracting the honey from the comb. This process ensures the wax and honey are kept separate. Observe the rich texture of the honey as it flows freely from the comb, glistening in the light. It's the pure essence of nature's sweetness, the culmination of all the effort and labor of the bees. The way it drips reminds us of its beautiful, viscous nature. Once separated from the frame, pieces of honeycomb are carefully placed into jars. This is for the more rustic method of honey consumption, where the honeycomb is eaten directly with the honey, and many people enjoy this. Finally, the liquid honey is poured into jars, ready to be taken and enjoyed. This is the culmination of a long process, from the bees' first gathering to the honey's journey to your table. Each drop embodies the hard work of the bees and the beekeeper's care. This is pure, unfiltered honey, a testament to nature's perfection. The golden hue, the delicate aroma, each characteristic of honey is a story in itself. Honey, it's been proven, has numerous health benefits and is quite delicious, making it one of nature's greatest gifts. Some people prefer their honey raw, with the comb still present. This offers a different, delightful texture and preserves more of the comb's natural properties. And it really highlights the natural structure the bees created during their work. As we see here, honey is a liquid that flows with both speed and a beautiful viscousness. It's a living substance, constantly moving, and a true pleasure to behold. And now, here is the final reward. A collection of jars, each filled with golden honey, a representation of countless trips made by thousands of bees, the efforts of the beekeeper, and nature's magic. It's a testament to their remarkable collaboration and the sweet, wonderful results. The entire honey-making process is a reminder of the interconnectedness of life, showcasing the delicate balance between humans and nature. From the moment the bees gather the nectar to the final step of harvesting and storing, the journey of honey is a fascinating study of hard work and collaboration. So as you enjoy this sweet treat, may you remember the story of the honeybee, these small, tireless workers whose labor brings so much delight to our world. Thank you for joining us on this sweet journey, from the hive to the jar. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.